Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Bethany, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some changes that I've been making in my lifestyle pertaining to my diet and fitness and all I've been trying for the last 3 months. And if you are interested or you have been wondering what it's like to try some of these trendy meal prepping companies, then keep on watching. Okay, so I finally received my Green Chef meal kit. I saw this on Joey Chavez YouTube, and I figured this would be a really good way to help me ease into a newer diet. So let's see what's inside. Okay, USDA organic. Okay, so we have our recipe cards. I got roasted curry chicken. It looks really good. I got Cajun pork tenderloin. I also got this Monterey Jack beef patties. Look at that, guys. It even comes with the sauce. That's really cool. What else is in here? Oh, nice. I really love how this is insulated. So look at all these packs. We got the chicken. Wow, this is really cool. The ground beef. Really cool. The pork tenderloin. Wow. I think that's it, y'all. Recipe that I'm trying first is the roasted red curry chicken. Now, there are a couple of things that I did not include in my personal meal when I cooked it today. Though that would be like the mushrooms and the cashew nuts. I'm not really a fan of those ingredients, so I just left them out. However, this was a really easy recipe to cook. I did feel like I had a couple of hiccups, like, oh, I don't know what to do, but I just referred back to the recipe card and it was very easy. Okay, everyone, so this is what the roasted red curry chicken looks like. It's a very colorful meal, which is what I was going for. Again, I got the keto meal prep, so this is what the finished product looks like for me. This is the Monterey Jack beef patties. This has beef, lean beef, grass-fed beef, which I was really impressed about. It has cabbage, cilantro, spicy ginger lime aioli sauce, and zucchini, Monterey Jack cheese, and these really cute red crushed pepper flakes that add a little spice to it. I'm really excited to try this, and the cabbage has been really good in this kit, so far so good. And this will be the first time I'm trying like a beef patty without any bread, so I'm really excited about this meal. This is the Monterey Jack beef patty with the zucchini and with the red crushed pepper flakes, a little bit of the cilantro. I also have some of the cabbage here and the beef patty with some of the cheese and a little bit of the aioli sauce here. This is another colorful plate, which I really am digging. It smells good, and it actually would be something I could see myself making again on my own. So that's really nice because of those recipe cards that if you're wanting to make them again, you can. Yes, I'm eating off a paper plate today. So I just wanted to show you all again what this meal looks like. It's filling and it looks like enough. Okay, so you guys saw several different kinds of meals that I've tried, and I guess I didn't really give a disclaimer. I'm not really a cooker, so this has helped me so much with my busy schedule. It's helped me stay accountable, keeping myself accountable for the kind of meals that I'm trying to do. And like I said, I've been trying these meals for the last 3 months. As you can see, I have a whole new box, and I had stopped the meals for a couple weeks, and that was just because I wasn't sure if I liked it. And the reasons why were because I was receiving a lot of different pork in my meals, and I don't mind eating pork. It's if I'm trying to change my diet and change some of the kind of things that I'm eating, then I can't have pork. I love pork. I love pork. However, so a lot of my meals had pork in them, and you do get to choose what kind of meats you like. I did select pork. I just didn't realize how many recipes included pork in them, and that was the reason why I had stopped it. What I didn't realize and what I learned is you can modify your options, food choices, if you don't like them, which is something that I loved, and it's the reason why I resubscribed to Green Chef. I really do enjoy it. I feel like changes that I've noticed in my body is I've lost inches around my waistline, and I've also just kind of just been slimming down, you know. I feel like I'm really happy with the choice. It is an investment. I did start the kit, as I mentioned early on, receiving so many of my boxes discounted at first. So ideally, it probably ranged me $65 at the beginning every week, which is when I was trying it for the first 2 months. The last month I have gone down to every other week because it does add up. It's expensive, however it's worth the investment for me because I'm not a cooker, and as I said again, I'm not a cooker, so I couldn't really tell you the kind of meals or nutrition that I'm supposed to have, especially now that I'm 30. So steps, slow progress is still progress, and yeah, girl, I will keep you guys posted. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at ILuvBethanni, and all my socials are ILuvBethanni. So if you're not following me, you probably could get a good day-to-day of what I'm doing and what type of workouts I'm doing or anything like that. So stay tuned for more. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow my channel. And I want you guys to grow with me because this lifestyle change is a commitment, and I would love for you guys to hold me accountable. So subscribe, like, and comment.